Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our chemistry class. Do you know which is our harvest festival? Yes, it is Onam. We all celebrate Onam with great enthusiasm. Is it celebrated in all the states? No. Different states are having different harvest festivals like Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Bihu in Assam, and so on. So different states are having different harvest festivals. Do you know what is meant by harvesting? Harvesting is a process by which the entire plant or the economic part of the plant is being cut. Economic part may be the grains, seed leaves, roots, or even entire plant. So that process is called as harvesting, which is the main crop in Kerala. Yes, it is rice. Have you ever seen paddy fields? Look here. A paddy field is so beautiful, isn't it? Have you seen cutting of paddy stalks? How these paddy stalks are cut? With the help of sickles or even machines are there for doing harvesting. After harvesting, what does farmers do? They make bundles of these paddy stalks and keep it in the farms. You must have seen bundles of paddy stalks laying in paddy fields. After harvesting, stalks are dried in sun before the grain is separated from the stalks. Look here, each stalk contains lot of grain seeds. Can you see a lot of grain seeds here? Yes. How can we separate these grain seeds from these stalks? One may pluck mangoes or guavas from the trees. But grain seeds are very small, so that plucking each grain from the stalks is impossible. So what can be done? The process that is used to separate grains from the stalks is termed as threshing. In this process, stalks are beaten to separate the grain seeds. Look here. Here you can see that bundles of stalks are beaten to separate the rice from the stalks. Traditionally, threshing was done with hands, but we can also use bullocks. And even now, as the technology has developed a lot, we are having machines for doing this threshing also. There are machines which does harvesting as well as threshing together. They are called combined harvester. Look here.
This is a machine used to separate grains from the stalks. When we keep the stalk, we get the grains separated from it, and stalk can be used further. Then we can see bullocks used to separate the grains from the stalks.
So dear children, in this session, you learned the method of threshing. Thank you, dear children.